In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix queued email not sending in Gmail. 5 minutes. If your email says queued or just sits there without sending, it usually means Gmail is having trouble completing the send because of a temporary connection issue, a browser hiccup, or something blocking the request. Let's work through a quick set of fixes, starting with the simplest and moving toward the more thorough. Begin by refreshing your Gmail tab a few times. A quick reload can re-establish the connection between your browser and Gmail servers and often clears a stuck send. After refreshing, open the draft or outbox message and try sending again. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're on Wi-Fi, move closer to the router or switch to a more reliable network. If possible, briefly toggle your connection off and back on, or disconnect and reconnect to Wi-Fi. The goal is to give Gmail a clean, steady connection so it can push the message out. If that doesn't help, clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove temporary data bugs. In most browsers, you can go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select cookies and cached images and files. Choose an appropriate time range like last 7 days or all time, and confirm. Note that clearing cookies signs you out of websites, so be prepared to sign back into Gmail afterward. Now try opening Gmail in a private or incognito window. This runs Gmail without your usual extensions and cached data, which helps rule out conflicts. If the email sends successfully there, you've confirmed the issue likely involves your browser's profile or an add-on. Consider the size of your email next. Large attachments can stall sending, especially on slower connections. Remove big files from the message and resend, or upload them to Google Drive and insert the Drive link instead. This keeps the email light while still delivering the content. If you suspect something is actively blocking outgoing mail, temporarily disable browser extensions, VPNs, or antivirus tools, and try sending again. Common culprits include ad blockers, privacy filters, and strict VPN settings. Turn them off just for this test, send the email, and then re-enable them once you're done. Finally, sign out of your Google account and sign back in. This refreshes your session and can resolve token or sync glitches behind the scenes. After logging back in, open the draft and press send. Work through these steps in order, and in most cases, your queued message will go through. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting your Gmail moving again.